You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from science, from Latin, medicine, a mutation. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Better known as XP. Xeroderma, not zero, it's usually pronounced just, the X is pronounced like a Z. Xeroderma Pigmentosum. I mean in Latin be pigmentosum, but in English pigmentosum. Xeroderma Pigmentosum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.